Hello there. There's a very basic economic principle that many businesses abide by. That is, to maximize your profits, you need to minimize your costs. In this video, I explore 3 ways you can start doing today to help you increase your profit without increasing your prices. I'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Raymond Huan, and if you own a business, you are interested in business, or you wish to learn about the tips and tricks on how to operate your business better, I encourage you to click on the subscribe button that you see before you right now. Can you really increase your profit without raising your prices? If we go by the profit maximizing principle of economics, then yes. The underlying reason is that our customers don't like it when we raise prices. And this is not to say that we shouldn't. Let's get this straight first. We do need to increase our prices to reflect improvements in our services because it is good business practice. But there will be some situations where raising prices will do more harm than good for the business, especially when we do business in a very competitive field, or when our clients are experiencing some form of financial strain due to economic conditions. When this happens, we turn to this very important economic principle to help us maintain or increase our bottom line. Let's take a look at that. Work with your finance and accounting team to create a periodic cost review schedule. You may do this on a quarterly, biannual, or annual basis. How often you do this depends on the type of business that you are in, the industry you compete in, and the characteristics of the suppliers in your industry. The questions you ask are simple. Are there expenses you can eliminate? Are there substitutes for the goods and services you buy from your suppliers? Are there alternative suppliers who can offer the products or service you buy at a similar quantity but at a cheaper price? Let's say you own a small retail store. Can you negotiate with the wholesalers for better prices? Can you find another wholesaler who can supply the same products at a cheaper price? Or can you find a different location with better foot traffic but a similar or maybe even cheaper rent? By periodically reassessing your costs, you can uncover savings that directly impact your profit margins. Just as you review your costs, it's also good practice to review your processes periodically. Are they still efficient and cost-effective? Can you make it more efficient? Now let's assume you own a cafe or restaurant. Can you create a menu that is more cost-effective but maintains the same level of quality that your customers have grown to expect of your business? Can you find substitute ingredients? And is there a better way to store ingredients and manage inventory to avoid or to minimize spoilage? Can you offer meals using inexpensive and widely available ingredients that it's around your local area? By streamlining your processes, you can increase productivity and minimize waste, ultimately boosting your profits. In the age of automation and artificial intelligence, there are available tools that can help small businesses streamline their processes so that your team can focus on what matters most. After reviewing your processes, you can start identifying repetitive and recurring tasks that you can automate. And this can be tasks that involve scheduling meetings or periodic reviews, such as cost and process reviews. This can also involve organizing related project-based tasks. Platforms such as Asana, Monday, or Trello can help you organize your team and their tasks. And these productivity management tools already incorporate AI into their interface to help you automate further. Another area that will benefit from technology use is customer relationship management. Many businesses already use CRMs to help with lead generation and customer onboarding, among many other things. And these platforms also incorporate some form of AI to further benefit businesses. Automation and productivity tools can change how you run your business. By embracing technology, you can work smarter and not harder, and free up valuable time to focus on growing your business even further. Increasing your profits does not always mean raising your prices. By reviewing your costs, optimizing your processes, and by embracing certain types of technology, you can pave the way for sustainable growth and success. Do you have your own tips on how you can raise profits without increasing your prices? Send me an email and I'd love to explore that with you. My name is Raymond Huan. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to catching up with you in the next video very soon.